Hi everybody, my name's Nicole. Today we're going to be going over how to buy and stake Ghost. So we have our MetaMask wallet and we have our Matic and our USDC in that wallet. If you missed my video on how to do that, I will include a link in the top right. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so we're on Aavegotchi.com. I will include the link below in the description. And we have some USDC that we're going to exchange for Ghost. Click on Get Ghost. Go to Connect Wallet. MetaMask. Next. Connect. Perfect. Before we get Ghost, we're just going to make something a little bit faster for ourselves. We're going to click on this purple box up here. Click the settings cog and change default gas fee to 100. The higher the gas fee, the faster your transaction will go through, but it will obviously cost you a little bit more. This is in Gwei, so the transaction fee will still only cost a couple of cents. We're going to go back to the main page, get Ghost, swapper. Then we're going to put in the USDC amount. So in this case, I'm just going to put max and approve. Confirm. After this is approved, there'll be another pop-up where we have to do the swap. So I'm going to click on confirm. The swap will normally only take about 10 seconds or so that's done already. Close the swap. And we have our Ghost. As easy as that. While we're here, we might as well stake it so we can start earning some friends. So we're going to go back to the main page. We're going to go to Stake Ghost, Stake Ghost, and we're just going to go with this one here for now. So approve, confirm. This should again take about 10 seconds and that's done. Then we can put in the amount we want to stake, or we can click on the entire amount. So you might as well stake it all, to be honest. So we're going to click on stake. Confirm. And once this stops saying pending, we are all done. All right, so that's finished. And you can see here that we're earning 22 friends a day. So that's how easy it is to stake your Ghost. You can unstake your Ghost at any time. There are no lockups. If you want to unstake, it's pretty easy. We can either unstake the entire amount or we can unstake a portion. So I'll just unstake the entire amount. Withdraw. Confirm. And that is unstaked. So it's as easy as that. Okay, so we have our Ghost and we're ready to go. What's the first thing you're going to buy with your Ghost? Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.